Hello and welcome to the OWC instructional series of videos. In this installment, we will be upgrading the memory in a pre-2008 Mac Pro. We have already shut down, unplugged, and placed the Mac Pro on a static-free workspace. We are now ready to begin. The first step is to open the side access door on our Macintosh. To do this, lift the latch located on the rear of the Mac Pro until it locks into the open position. You may then tilt the door forward slightly and remove it. The next step is to locate the memory riser cards inside your Mac Pro. They are located here in the memory cage. To remove the memory riser cards, slide them straight out of their respective slots. Before we can install the new memory modules, we need to remove the old memory modules. To do so, locate the ejectors on each side of the memory slot and push down and out. This will eject the memory module out of its slot. Once the memory module ejectors are open and the memory is loose, remove them and set aside. To install the new memory modules, be sure that the ejectors on each side of the memory slot are open. Line up the new memory modules by aligning the off-center notch in the memory module with a corresponding off-center pin in the memory slot. Once aligned correctly, push the memory modules firmly down until it snaps and locks into place. The ejectors should snap shut when the memory modules are firmly seated. Check that the memory module ejectors have closed. The inside of the side panel has a diagram for installing the memory modules and reinstalling the memory riser cards. You are now ready to reinstall the memory riser cards back into your Mac Pro. Firmly push the memory riser card back into its slot until it snaps back into place. Repeat for the second memory riser card. To close the Mac Pro, align the side door with the bottom of the case. Swing the door closed and push the rear latch downward until it locks into place.